Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you want to change. Once signed in, open Account Settings and go straight to Personal Info. This reduces mistakes. Make sure you can complete any two-step verification prompts, otherwise you may be locked out when removing the number. You need active access to that account and any recovery methods. If you don't, pause and restore access first. Now that you're in Contact Info, locate the phone section so we can remove the number safely. You'll tap the listed phone number and choose Remove or Edit. Google often asks you to verify your identity. Follow those prompts. Once verified, confirm removal. This severs that number from account recovery and notifications. If the number is tied to backup codes or two-step verification, make sure to replace it with an alternate method first. Doing that prevents losing access. After removal, Google will show a confirmation. Note any warnings and read them before leaving the screen. Once removed, you should verify the change by revisiting Personal Info. Confirm the phone entry is absent. Then sign out and sign back in to ensure no unexpected prompts occur, and test account recovery options so you're not locked out later. If removing the number triggers access problems, use Google's account recovery form or rely on an alternate verified email or phone to regain control. If recovery still fails, contact Google support with proof of identity as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.